Now you've got 6 kinds of 5-finger patterns. I want you to practice with metronome and pushing a little bit tempo up. And in this method book, it says 65 and 70, but you can try 80 and 90 if you can. But as a requirement, I am asking you to at least practice with 70 at the end. And my metronome doesn't have 70, so I'm going to put up 72. Make sure not to pause in between the chord. Two, three, four chord, then move. Check your hand shape. Curl all the fingers. Do not bend your fingers inward. Check your thumb and pinky. Are you using the side? You don't want to use the side of the pinky and thumb, just the tip of them. Is your knuckles are up, or do you have spider hands? Those things I want you to watch out when you practice. I am going over one more time. Hand shape, knuckles up, and curled fingers, not bent inward like this. Always curl and use the tip of the fingers and thumb. Do not use the side of thumb, side of pinky. Just curl and use the tip of the thumb and the pinky and poke. Poke like this. And make sure not to stop and think. You only have 4 counts to find the next harmony. Try to make the quarter notes even too. No stumbling like this. And what's next? A major. No. This is not really good practice habit. Make sure to make it even. And fast practice doesn't mean better. Having a control is most important. So you should be able to play slow, steady tempo, and also you should be able to play fast tempo, steady. Most important in music is having a control and being steady.